Oh, my dearest Eloise, don't you know I love you so? More than a passing fancy, feeling oh so antsy, being so far from you. Oh, my dearest Eloise, oh, the stories you could tell, storms that you have weathered, people you have tethered, the years treated you well. Oh, my dearest Eloise, don't you know I love you so? Every time that we're together, I've laid it last forever. Je suis amour, my dearest Eloise. You're vintage and divine, secrets, truths, and love. Sure as birds fly up above, our love will stand the test of time. Oh, well, all the time spent pining to feel whole again. Little did we know, through sunshine, rain, or snow, we'd find each other in the end, my dearest Eloise. Don't you know I love you so? More than a passing fancy, feeling oh so antsy, being so far from you. Oh, more than a passing fancy, feeling oh so antsy, so I'm coming home to you. That's it.